Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold, US dollar, currency pairs from the higher time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. Before that, when we look at the economical events plan for today is Wednesday, May 3rd. There is a Japanese bank holiday for today. At 6:30 AM, we have high impact news plan for New Zealand dollar related currency pairs, and at 5:45 PM, we have high impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. Again at 7:30 PM, we have high impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs, and at 11:30 PM, we have two high impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. So we can expect lots of volatility in gold today. Let us proceed with our gold analysis. I'm in 4 hours time frame now, and when we look at the current price action in 4 hours time frame, I mark the resistance zone or a supply zone where we have noticed the price action to test this resistance level of 2048 or 50 and then to continuously trend on the bearish side retracement. And after testing this demand zone between 1983 to 1975, we have noticed a price action to consolidate around this area. And previously also we have noticed that price action was trending on a bearish side retracement, trading below this resistance line, and the price has reacted to the yesterday's news and it has given a breakout from this consolidation on the bullish side. And I was expecting this bullish side retracement or a break on the bullish side because according to the SMC concept, the price action had created a imbalance over here, so we can expect the price action to retest this resistance level of 2013. This is a target I am expecting if the bullish side retracement continues in 4 hours time frame. And any price action below this resistance level of 2048, it will be considered only as a retracement. It is not a trend reversal on the bullish side. And once the price action gives a breakout from this resistance level of 2048 or 2050, it will be the continuation of the bullish trend in 4 hours time frame. And on the bearish side, once the price action gives a breakout from this previous low, which is going to be around 1983 to 1975, we can expect the bearish trend to start in 4 hours time frame. So when we look at the current support and resistance levels, currently the price action is stayed between the support level of 2008 and resistance level of 2020. Once the price action breaks this resistance level of 2020, next level of resistance is going to be around 2030 or 31. And once this resistance level is breached, next level of resistance is going to be around 2048, 2069 or 70 and 2096. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks this previous support level of 2008, next level of support is going to be around 1994, 1983 and 1970. So currently the price action in 4 hours time frame is on a bullish side retracement. It is not a time in hourly time frame, and we can clearly notice that the price has reacted to the news yesterday and we have seen a bullish side retracement to start in hourly time frame. I am drawing a trend line or a resistance line based on the past price action, and currently the price action has tested this resistance line of the bullish channel pattern. So we can expect little bit of retracement to start from this resistance level and to take support on the midline of this bullish channel pattern. And as long as the price action is trading above this bullish channel pattern support line, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in hourly time frame. So when we look at the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame, currently the price action is taking support around the support level of 2014. And if the bearish side retracement starts, next level of support is going to be around 2005, 1998, 1993, 1989 and 1983 on the bearish side. And if the price action breaks this resistance line of the bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start. And next level of resistance is going to be around 2025, 2038 and 2048. And again, as long as the price action is trading below this resistance level of 2048, it will be considered only as a retracement. And once the price action breaks this resistance level of 2048. It will be the start of the bullish trend in hourly time frame also, and next target is going to be around 2079 or 2080. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame, and in 30 minutes time frame also we have noticed a price action to react to the yesterday's high impacting news, and we have noticed a bullish side retracement to start, breaking the previous resistance level which was around 2004. And as long as the price action is trading above this resistance level of 2004 or 2000, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in 30 minutes time frame. And currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 2019 and support level of 2009. And if the price action starts its bearish side retracement, breaking this previous support level of 2009, next level of support is going to be around 2000, 1995, 1990, 1987, 1983, 1979, 1972 and 1969 on the bearish side. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks this resistance level of 2019, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue. Please refer the hourly time frame levels for the bullish side targets. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.